Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve exercise 13a. The chapter is perimeter and area of plane figure. So let's start. Before going to solve exercise, we will discuss about some definitions. What is circle? Circle is that shape having all points are the same distance from the center. एक ऐसी शेप है जिसके सेंटर से सारे पॉइंट्स इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर हैं. Just like this shape, this is the center. All these points are equidistant from the center. That's why it is called circle. Okay. The next one is diameter. What is diameter? Any straight line that passes through the center of the circle to 2 points on the perimeter. Students, in the previous lecture we studied that the perimeter is the boundary of any shape. Keep in mind, okay, perimeter is the boundary of any shape. So according to this definition, the straight line that passes from the center of the circle, yes, this is a line and that passes from the center of the circle, and this line meets at the two ends of the सर्कल और 2 पॉइंट्स ऑन द पेरीमीटर. मतलब वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि ये एक लाइन है और इसके जो से एंड पॉइंट्स हैं वो सर्कल के पेरीमीटर्स को टच कर रहे हैं या उन पर लाई कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. और वो ये लाइन कहाँ से गुजर रही है? सेंटर से गुजर रही है. तो ऐसी लाइन को हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? डायामीटर कहेंगे. ओके. अ स्ट्रेट लाइन दैट पासिस थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल टू द पॉइंट्स ऑफ द पैरामीटर. You can draw another diameter just like this one, or just like this. These are all diameters of the circle because these line passes from the center of the circle to the points on the perimeter. Okay, any 2 points on the perimeter. Okay. The next one is, what is radius? Radius of a circle or a sphere is any of the line segment from its center to the perimeter. अब रेडियस एक ऐसी लाइन है जो कि सेंटर से स्टार्ट हो रही हो, किसी भी पैरामीटर जो सी पैरामीटर है वहाँ तक जा रही है, उस चीज़ को हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? रेडियस कहेंगे. जस्ट लाइक दिस इज़ अ सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल एंड दिस लाइन सेगमेंट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम सेंटर एंड टू द पैरामीटर. So this is radius, and you can say that the half of diameter is called radius. Okay, half of diameter is called radius. So, or another example is this one. Lines is started from center of the circle and end to the perimeter, and perimeter is also called boundary of the shape or boundary of the circle. Okay. The next one is, okay, students, keep in mind this is a shape of radius, figure of radius, and this is a figure of for diameter. Okay. According to these diameter these figures, we can say that according for radius is equal to half of diameter. Yes, because अगर ये डायमीटर है, अगर डायमीटर को हाफ कर दिया जाए तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? रेडियस बन जाएगा. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर्मूला वी कैन से दैट radius of circle is equal to diameter divided by 2, or you can say that half of diameter. Okay. And for diameter you can say that 2 times radius is equal to diameter. Yes, diameter of a circle is equal to 2 times r. अगर रेडियस को, अगर ये वाला रेडियस इधर है, अगर इसी को आगे इंक्रीज कर दिया जाए तो मीन्स दैट 2 टाइम्स रेडियस हो जाएगा. दैट इज इक्वल टू डायमीटर ऑफ सर्कल. ओके. रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल इज इक्वल टू d over 2 diameter divided by 2, and diameter of circle is equal to 2 times r. Okay. So the next one is the circumference. What is circumference? The circumference is the perimeter of the circle. अब नॉर्मली तो हम लोग कोई भी शेप जब ले रहे होते हैं, जो सी बाउंड्री होती है, बेशक स्क्वायर हो, रेक्टेंगल हो, ट्राइंगल हो, उनकी बाउंड्री को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? पेरीमीटर कहेंगे. बट सर्कल की जो सी बाउंड्री है या पेरीमीटर है उसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? सर्कमफेरेंस कहेंगे. ओके. जस्ट लाइक दिस इज़ द बाउंड्री ऑफ सर्कल एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉल इट circumference. So the formula of C or circumference is equal to 2 pi r. This pi has having a fixed value, that is 3.14. Okay, so C is equal to 2 pi r. What is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is the space occupied by a circle. Yes. So the formula of area of circle is A is equal to pi r square. Here A is area and R. Exercise 13A, question number 4, according to your book. This is a table, and in this table different values are given, and according to these values we have to find the other terms, values of other terms. Just like in part A, they have given just the value of radius, that is 10 centimeter. From this we have to calculate the value of diameter, the value of circumference, and the value of area. Okay, so let's start. Part A, solution. Given data, radius is equal to 10 centimeter, and you can say that the radius means that r is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so we have, first of all, we have to find what is the value of diameter. Diameter d is equal to 2r. Diameter का क्या formula था? 2 times r. So putting the value of r, we will get 2 into 10 centimeter, and 2 multiplied by 10 centimeter will be equal to 20 centimeter. This is the value of diameter, that is 20 centimeter. Okay, the next one is circumference. What is the formula of circumference? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So putting the values of 2 pi and r, as we know very well, the value of pi is equal to 3.14. okay, this is a fixed value. So 2 into 3.14, and or you can say that 22/7. Okay, so 22/7 will also equal to 3.14. okay, so the value of pi is to 3.14, the value of r is 10 centimeters. So putting the values of pi and r just like this. In next step we will multiply 2 by 3.14, that is equal to 6.28. okay, just like this, and then multiply by 6.28 multiplied by 10, we will get 62.8. so the answer is 62.8 centimeter. okay, and next we have to find the area. So as we know very well, area of circle is equal to pi r square. So putting the value of pi and r, the value of pi is 3.14, and the value of r is 10 centimeter, that is given in question. So 100 centimeter square mean, sorry, 10 centimeter square mean 10 multiplied by 10. So it will equal to 100 centimeter square, and when 100 centimeter square multiplied by 3.14, the answer is 314 centimeter square. okay, then so the diameter is equal to 20 centimeter, the radius is equal to 10 centimeter, circumference is equal to 62.8 centimeter, and area is equal to 314 centimeter square. okay, the part B. In part B we have the value of diameter, that is 3.6 centimeter, and we have to find radius, circumference, and area. So let's start. Solution. Given data, that is diameter, that is 3.6 centimeter, as we know very well, radius is equal to half of diameter, d divided by 2. D means diameter. okay, so putting the value of diameter and then divided by 2, that value divided by 2. okay, the value of diameter is 3.6 centimeter, divided by 2, we will get 1.8 centimeter. And the next one is circumference. The formula of circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So putting the value of pi and r, the value of pi is 3.14 and the value of r is 1.8 centimeter. So first of all we will multiply 2 by 3.14, that is 6.28 multiplied by 1.8 centimeter, and when 6.28 multiplied by 1.8 centimeter we will get 11.304. So the answer is 11.304 centimeter. Okay beta, this is the solution of this part, that is 3.6 divided by 2. Okay, first of all we will convert this 3.6 into the fractional form, just like this, 36 over 10 multiplied by 2. So by cancelling out 2 ones are 2 and 2 18s are 36, and then 18 divided by 10 is equal to 1.8. So the radius is 1.8 centimeter. Okay, so the area, that is equal to pi r square, we have to find the value of area. The value of pi is 3.14 and the value of r is 1.87 1.8 centimeter whole square. So when we take square of 1.8, the answer is 3.24 centimeter square. ओके हम स्क्वायर कैसे लिखते हैं, इसी वैल्यू को अगर इसी वैल्यू के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो हमारे पास वो आंसर आ जाएगा. स्क्वायर हम ले सकते हैं 1.8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1.8, द आंसर इज 3.24 सेंटीमीटर. और ऑफकोर्स सेंटीमीटर का भी जब हम स्क्वायर लेंगे तो वो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. ओके so in next step when we multiply 3.14 by 3.24, the answer is 10.2 centimeter square. This is answer. Okay, so the diameter, the value of diameter is 3.6 centimeter. The value of radius is 1.8 centimeter as we calculated. Circumference, the value of circumference is 11.304 centimeter and the value of area is 10.2 centimeter square. Thank you.